When we go to the temples, we just see the idol. When we look at the pictures in our house, we just see him as a picture. But if you start looking at Baba sitting there, alive, smiling, looking at you with his loving eyes, with all that affection flowing through him, the way you love Baba will change. The way you express your love for Baba will change. The way you feed him will change. The way you speak to him will change. The way you are just all around Baba will change. In the Sai Satcharita, Baba had said something beautiful, that worshipping me, worshipping my picture, is equivalent to worshipping me. Same goes today. Worshipping Baba's picture is equivalent to worshipping a Baba alive. If we start thinking that Baba is looking at us, talking to us, living there with us, life will be so different. Our love will be so different. And I think we can all make our relationship with Baba so different. For me, he has always been alive. Whether I go to Shirdi, whether there's Baba at my house, or whether I come to your places or your temples and meet Baba there, I never see a murti there. What happens is, in seeing the murti there, we forget that Baba is sitting there. We go to the mandir on every Thursday to do our ritual of doing a Thursday visit to the mandir. We go, we offer our prasad, we touch his feet, do a sairam and come back. We say our little prayer if we have to. But do we actually see that Baba is sitting there and waiting for us? Do we actually understand that he's waiting for us? He wants us to acknowledge love. He wants us to say those 3 words to him that we love him. He's sitting there alive. When you walk into a temple with those flowers or the basket of prasad, don't just go offer it and walk out. Don't just see Baba, seek Baba. Realize that he's alive, waiting for you. Change the relationship. Trust me, it just gets more beautiful with every passing day. When you can feel your Baba alive, because when you look at him as alive, as palpitating, as responding, the relationship has to become more beautiful, more and more and more beautiful every day. Because not only will your expression of love change, also Baba's way of responding and loving you will change. So please, love Baba to the supremest way of loving. Worship Baba to the highest form of worship. And there is nothing more beautiful than living with your God, believing and knowing him to be alive. He hears every prayer. He responds to all that we say because he lives with us. He knows our pains. He knows our troubles. He smiles when we are happy. He cries when we are sad. He is with us at every moment. Our Baba was alive, is alive, and is forever and ever going to be alive with us and within us. Om Sai Ram.